cycle. Urea cycle is a biochemical pathway in the liver that converts toxic ammonia, a waste product from protein metabolism, into less harmful urea. This cycle is vital for mammals as it detoxifies ammonia and enables its excretion in urine. The process involves a series of enzymatic reactions using ammonia, carbon dioxide, and ATP to produce urea with K-intermediate compounds like ornithine, citrulline, and arginine. Ano ang urea cycle? Ang urinary cycle ay isang serye ng mga biochemistry na reaction na nangyayari sa liver ng tao at iba pang mga hayop na nag-uugnay sa amino acid metabolism at na nitrogen excretion. Ang pangunahing layunin ng urea cycle ay mangolekula ng nitrogen mula sa amino acid at iba pang mga source at magbigay ng isang paraan para i-excrete ito bilang urea sa pamamagitan ng urine. Location. The cycle primarily occurs in the liver with its first two steps taking place in the mitochondria and the remaining steps in the cytoplasm. Ang prosesong ito ay pangunahing nangyayari sa atay. Ang unang dalawang bahagi nito ay ginagawa sa loob ng mitochondria. Ito ang powerhouse ng cell. At ang iba pang bahagi ay cytoplasm, ang likidong bahagi ng cell. Its main purpose is to detoxify ammonia, a harmful waste product from protein digestion by converting it into a water-soluble and less toxic substance urea. Ano ang ginagawa? Basically, ang pangunahing layunin ng cycle na ito ay tanggalin ang laso ng ammonia. Ang ammonia ay isang masamang dumi na galing sa pagtunaw ng protina sa ating katawan. Pinabago nito ang ammonia para maging urea na hindi na gaanong mapanganib at madaling mailabas ng katawan. Intermediates. The cycle uses K-intermediate molecules including ornithine, citrulline, and arginine. Basically, ang mga intermediates sa urea cycle ay mga importanteng molekula na ginagamit sa proseso ng paggawa ng urea. Kabilang dito ang ornithine. Ito ang unang molekula na nag-react sa cycle. Pangalawa, citrulline. Nabubuo ito pagkatapos ng unang reaction. Pangatlo is arginine. Ito ang huling intermediate na nagiging urea at nagre-regenerate ng ornithine upang ipagpatuloy ang cycle. Enzymes. These are biological catalysts, typically proteins that speed up chemical reaction in living organisms. Urea cycle. This is a biochemical pathway that converts toxic ammonia into urea, which can then be excreted from the body. Therefore, the statement indicates that six different enzymes are responsible for catalyzing the various reactions within the urea cycle. End product. This describes the end product of the urea cycle. End product. This refers to the final substance produced in a metabolic pathway. Urea, a nitrogen-containing compound that is a primary way mammals excrete nitrogen. Urea cycle, a biochemical pathway that processes toxic ammonia into a urea in the liver. Excretion. This process of eliminating waste products from the body.